Shopping sentences for daily use. Can you help me please? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color? Where can I find the grocery section? Is this on sale? How much does this cost? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay with cash? Is there a discount on this? Can I try this one? Where is the fitting room? I'll take this one. I don't like this one. Do you have other options? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? This is exactly what I was looking for. Can I pay in installments? Do you offer home delivery? I need a gift wrap, please. Can I exchange this if needed? Thank you. Have a great day.